All right, so you ready to try this new method, this new process? All right, this is going to be one of my favorite topics. I like things that are elegant and simple. And this clustering method you'll see is both of those. What clustering does is we now have objects, which are plankton. We now have features of them, areas, texture, aspect ratio, which is your homework for this week. And now when you plot it with those features, that's called a feature space. And so if you take objects and put them in the feature space, we'd like to group them by their features. And so I have here, and this is all taken from the site cited here. So we have, this is made up data, and this clustering works from one dimension to millions, as many dimensions as you want. So I'm just giving you a 2D, two features example, but this technique works for one dimension, like just one variable, or 100 or 1,000, as many as you want. So it's pretty powerful. Same process. We're doing two dimensions because it's easy to see. So imagine that this is like the price of houses and the square footage, for example, and you want to see how they cluster. And if you look at this with your eye, you can kind of see, yeah, it looks like there might be 3 clusters. But I'll show you a technique which will automatically make these clusters. And that is the k-means technique. And so we're going to do that live for you right now.